Hello everyone, friends. My name is Igor. I've been trading binary options for over 11 years. In today's video, I'll show you my trading session with the Quotex broker, HOCHIA. We'll trade using a reliable strategy of finding support and resistance levels and opening trades on the reversal. The expiration time is 5 minutes, the bet amount is $30, and let's switch to the M3 time frame and see what we have on the charts. Euro, New Zealand dollar, I'll open a down trade right away. The price is in the resistance zone. The zone is clearly visible to us. Price reversals from this zone are visible. I'm expecting the price to fall. Well, basically it has already started. British pound, Canadian dollar, an uptrade. The price is at a strong, or rather a very strong support zone. Price reversals are visible earlier on the chart. Now the price has reached this zone with an impulse. And here too, the forecast has already started to come true. Australian dollar, US dollar, a downtrade. Local maximum. Well, this is just the absolute maximum visible on the chart. Actually, most likely the local maximum is somewhere around here. All of these are just small false breakouts. But I'll try to catch the downward price movement and profit from it. Euro, Australian dollar, a completely opposite situation. We also have a local minimum somewhere around here. Right here, most likely we have some small false breakouts. I'm also catching a price pullback upwards. US dollar, Canadian dollar, an uptrade. There's a good support zone here. Many strong reversals, and the reversals are very sharp. The price moves far up from our zone. Why not take advantage of this? US dollar, Swiss franc, roughly the same situation. I'm also opening an uptrade, a support zone with a bunch of reversals from this zone. 6 trades are open so far, maybe that will be enough. I'll also open the US dollar, Japanese yen. We also have a significant support zone here, and clear reversals from this specific zone are quite visible. Euro, British pound, I'm opening a down trade. Local maximum, why not try to make some money here? And basically that's it. 8 trades are open, let's see what's actually happening. A Euro, New Zealand dollar is in profit for now, British pound, Canadian dollar was in profit for a bit, but it's fallen for now. But right now, I probably won't open. Oh, well, now I can probably open an additional trade. The price has fallen a bit lower, I open additional trades, wait for approximately 2 minutes to pass. Again, if you notice that the market price starts moving directly against my initial forecast and has already moved a significant distance away from the entry point. So there is absolutely no logical reason or benefit in opening any additional trades near that initial entry point, because doing that might only serve to increase your total losses rather than helping you in recovering them. Well, basically, what do we see? Euro, British pound is standing still for now, US dollar, Swiss franc is relatively close to the entry point, US dollar, Canadian dollar is also moving towards the initial entry point. Well, I suggest we wait. 9 trades are open. I honestly believe that's quite enough for us at this point. Eight seconds. The Euro New Zealand dollar is going to close in the green for us now. It's probably the only asset that's moving steadily in one direction. We entered at the very top. The trade closed steadily in profit. So, let's see what else we have here. British pound, Canadian dollar. There's a chance the first trade will close in the green, if there aren't any sharp price drops. But it looks like they might happen, or maybe not. 2 seconds, let's see. Yes, it's a win after all. Well, let's just call it a bit of luck. Australian dollar, US dollar, the price is also very close to the entry point. 5 seconds, and it won't be clear until the very end how this trade will close. But it's also a win, after all. 3 out of 3 trades in profit so far. Euro, Australian dollar here. The price has finally started to go up here as well. There was a chance the trade would close in the red, but it looks fine. By the way, most trades are winning, so I expect a good result. I wouldn't count on 100%, of course, but you never know. Well, yeah, at least the US dollar, Swiss franc here. 20 seconds left, price is very far from the entry point. US dollar, Canadian dollar, we have a win here. And the US dollar, Swiss franc, as I said, will be a loss. At least one. By the way, the US dollar, Japanese yen, the price went quite far into the profit zone, but no. The first loss out of 9 trades. US dollar, Japanese yen might be the second losing trade. I actually didn't expect that at all here. Yeah, that's a shame. The entry point was good, but in the last minute the price dropped sharply. And that's exactly what closed the trade in the red. Euro British pound will close in the green in 5 seconds. Everything's fine here, the price is falling. And the British pound Canadian dollar trade remains, but that's fine too. The price has gone up nicely here. The trade will be profitable. It will close in 20 seconds, and as a result of this trading session, I'll end up with 7 winning trades and 2 losing ones. That's a pretty good result. Of course, I could have had one more winning trade, but the US dollar Canadian, or rather the US dollar Japanese yen, let me down a bit in the very last minute. But what can you do? The market is the market. Those are today's results. If you're interested in how I find entry points on a clean chart using support and resistance levels, there are links to educational materials on my website in the description. It's all free and public, so just follow the links, read up, and improve your trading skills. That's all for now. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below. Good luck with your trading, and bye everyone.